Hi everyone, it's time for another Ustar tool. Now this time I've amalgamated three tools into one video, mostly because they complement each other and I didn't really want to do a single video for something that's quite similar. Mostly because you can see how they do complement each other, and you might want to get maybe two or three of these together as particularly as one purchase, because it does serve excuse me, different uses. What I want to talk to you about is I guess how you manipulate paint or other materials, stirring it, receptacles for paint and other materials as well, that kind of thing. Now the three tools I want to show you from good old Ustar are these guys. First one is some stirrers, so I just want to show you their high quality stirrers, which they have there. I also want to show you two of their the colour palettes. These guys, they're basically metal palettes for different kinds of material, mostly paint, but you can use them for pretty much anything that you need to. But I thought together, these three complement each other very well indeed. So let's have a look at the stirrers first. Let's do that. So let me just get one out and just show you. I mean, you've probably got loads of these on your bench, but I just felt these were slightly above the average. They really were. I felt I looked around for something that was well made, that gave me lots of different options, with different measuring ends, and I do measure out quite a lot of materials, and that's perfect for this one. And this guy, again, similar. If I want to move some powders, for instance, that kind of thing, there's a filler powder which is also on the Ustar list, which you might want to have a look at. Again, I'll link to that in the description, and again, that end is perfect for decanting that, because you need to be precise with the amount that you're doing. Again, if you're looking for something like that, any kind of precision, these guys could be perfect. That's the larger one. The smaller one also has a graduation. Let me just show you that on the end there. If I can just tilt it so you can see that little graduated scale. Again, can be very useful when you're trying to measure out certain materials. But that was quite a nice addition. Hadn't seen that before on these kind of tools. So very happy to see that. So that's the handles, if you like, the the stirrers, I guess you would call them. Now we've got two packs of pallets, or whatever you want to call these guys. Let me get the larger pack out, because you get quite a few in this pack, and we'll put that excuse me, we'll put that over there. So it's basically a pack of these guys. Yeah, you may have already got lots and lots of these, but I was looking for certainly a pack which was more economical, and you get 12 of these in the pack. But also, I liked, yes, they were very well made. I liked the way this has been stamped out, and of course, it's got the pouring spout, or the pouring lip on it. Often you don't see these with these; they just have a complete rim, so making stirring a nightmare. Like to see that. So you get 12 in the pack, and it's got a little stirring point, a little spout on the end, which I felt was great. So I do a lot of the times I will mix some materials like that, and I want to pour that into another receptacle, probably another one of these, just to get the consistency I'm looking for the material I'm working with. So I was looking for something simple. These are nothing special, nothing earth-shattering, but they're very well made, and so you're going to get 12 in this pack, which I felt was rather nice and generous of Ustar. Let's put those over there. Now, as you can probably see, the packs look very similar, but this one is the larger and more versatile pack. But let me just show you that in situ. Let's get that guy open. Now, for this one, you get three different kinds of receptacles. As I said earlier, you do get that one which doesn't have a pouring spout. Sometimes you don't need it and you just want to be able to fill this with material. For that, you get 1, 2, 3, 5 of those of that particular design. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this one, which is similar to the 12 pack with the spout, yeah. And then you get a really big one. That's quite large. If you do need to move around or change or do something with very large amounts of material, these guys could be for you. There's 3 of these in the pack. Again, there's a slight spout on it. I'd like to have seen that spout to be a little bit better. All they've really done is just deform the edge to create a spout, but it does work. It's not as good as a proper spout, if you like. That's actually been machined into these things, into the receptacle itself. But it does work. There is a small spout there. So basically, you get the 3 sizes, which was quite nice to see in the pack itself. So together, I think they give you a nice range, some good stirrers, some good quality stirrers with measuring ends as well, and 2 different kinds of pallets. So if you do need lots and lots of this guy, go for the 12 pack. But if you want the versatility and you want something different, this 3 pack with different sizes might be for you. Now, all of these are available separately on the site, so you can pick and choose exactly what you need for your application. But I just felt things like these, or 12 of these in a pack. I just felt these were very very useful for multiple purposes. Just to have a pack of these sat in my desk drawer somewhere. That's ideal. I felt so. They're kind of ideal for that kind of application. But again, it's horses for courses. You may need these going forward. It's quite nice to have them available, I felt. But I just wanted to show you those together, just to give you an idea of how they could possibly complement each other. As usual, any questions, any queries, do come back to me. And of course, keep on modelling.